Hello everyone, my name is SN Patil. In this video lecture, we will discuss fitting of the logarithmic curve of the type y is equal to a into x raised to b. Let y is equal to a x raised to b. First of all, we reduce this equation to the linear form. For that, we take log both sides, then log y is equal to log of a plus b time log of x. Here we use the logarithmic property as a log of capital A into b is equal to log of capital A plus log of capital B. Okay, that is C, A into X. See, this is A into X. Also, we use log of A raised to B is B into log of A. Okay, using this two property, we write the right hand side of the equation number 2. Now use the substitution here. Log y is equal to capital Y, substitute. Log a is equal to capital A, log x is equal to capital X, substitute in equation number 2. So we get capital Y is equal to A plus B capital X, and this is linear equation. Now here we use least square approximation method. Those we have discussed in a lecture of curve fitting. Okay, linear curve fitting. Okay, now using the least square approximation method, we get two normal equations. First normal equation, just multiplied summation sign, we get summation y is equal to summation operate on the constant 1, then we get n into a plus b summation x. For second equation, multiplied throughout capital X and then operate the summation sign, we get capital Xy. Now solve the 4 and 5, we get capital A and B. But capital A is here log of A. Okay. Now here the m is a base. We have considered here two type of base, natural and base 10. When natural base is there, that is m is equal to e, then we get small a is equal to e to the power capital A. And when base is a 10, then we get small a is equal to 10 raised to a. Now let us take the example on the logarithmic curve. Okay, fit a power of curve of the form y is equal to a x raised to b to the following data. Okay, now see the data. Now we have the data for x and y. Okay, first consider the equation y is equal to a x raised to b. We reduce this equation to the linear form. So we take the log both sides. Taking log both sides, so we get ln y is equal to ln a plus b ln x. Here we consider the natural base. Okay, that is, so instead of log of base e, we consider ln. Okay, ln means natural log. Okay, now use the substitution here. Put ln y is equal to capital Y, ln small a is equal to capital A, ln small x is equal to capital X. Substitute in equation 2, we get linear equation. Now use the least square approximation method. We get the normal equation are summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. For second equation, multiplied first capital X and then operate summation sign. We get the equation number 5. That is the second normal equation. Okay, now the requirement of the 4 and 5, we want capital Y, capital X into Y and x square. So how we get the capital X? For that capital X, we must have the x. Capital Y, we must have the small y. See, the capital X is what? Capital X is ln x. Capital Y, for capital Y, that is ln y. Then take their product x into y, and the last one is x squared. In this way we can prepare the chart. Okay, so first we prepare the x and y column. Accordingly we calculate capital X, capital Y, x into y and x squared. Now see, in this way. Okay, this is small x column, then small y, Now capital X is ln x. Put the value of x 2 here, then we get the first value 0.6931. Similarly, remaining value. So this is what summation capital X. Similarly, this is summation of capital Y. Means summation capital Y means addition of all the points. That is the summation Y. Summation X means summation of all the points. Okay. Similarly, summation X into Y. Okay. Here summation X square. Now I am considering again same linear equation. Uh, the capital Y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so this is actually our equation number 3. See, this is the equation number 3. Okay, now the normal equation of the equation 3 is summation y n a. When we multiply summation here, n means number of points 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 points, that is 5 times a plus b summation capital X. Now second is multiplied throughout capital X, then summation x into y is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Okay, so these are the equation. Now putting the equation number, suppose this is the equation number 6 and 7. Put all this value of last row in equation 6 and 7, then we get uh, put in equation number 6, then equation 6 becomes summation y is 9.4295 is equal to 5 times a plus summation x. Summation x is 8.2532, okay, into small b. Okay, now next summation x into y, that is 18.7908 is equal to 8 point. The value of the summation x is 8.2532 into capital A plus x square is summation x square is here, that is the 15.2386 into b. Okay, now solve this both equation, solve above equation simultaneously. Okay, now I am solving these two equation by calculate. Then we get capital A is equal to, and capital small b is equal to, just right, huh? I'm using the calculate. Okay, so we get capital A is equal to minus 1.4102 and small b is equal to 1.9969. Okay, but capital A is equal to what? But capital A is equal to natural. See here, we put here capital A is equal to natural log A. Okay, so taking antilog both sides, then we get A is equal to e to the power A. That is A is equal to e to the power minus 1.4102. We get here e to the power minus 1.4102. Okay, so we get A is equal to 0.24409. 409, instead of that I am writing the 41. We round up fourth place. Okay, and we have the B. Now put A and B. Put A and B in equation 1. See what is equation 1? Y is equal to A x raised to B. Y is equal to A x to the power B. That is y is equal to A. A is 0.2441 x raised to 1.9969, which is required logarithmic curve. Okay. Now let us take the second example. P to the power of the curve of the form y is equal to a x raised to b to the following data. Okay, so first we consider the equation y is equal to a x raised to b and reduce this equation to the linear. So take log both sides, then we get. So here second example we consider base is 10. Okay, now use substitution. Log y base 10 is equal to capital Y, log a is equal to capital A, log x is equal to capital X. Equation 2 become linear. Capital Y is equal to a plus bx. Now their normal equation are summation y is equal to na plus b summation x, and the second is summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Okay, see the requirement of 4 and 5. We prepare the chart. The first column is x, second column is y, then we calculate the capital X. Capital X means what? Log of x base 10, that is the third column. Then y, fourth column, x into y, next column, and then capital X square is last column in this way. Okay, now here I am considering again third equation. Capital Y is equal to a plus b summation x. See, this is the equation number 3. Now the normal equation is summation y is equal to summation multiplied constant. Constant is outside, only run for the 1. So it is repeated 5 times, that is 5 times a plus b summation x. We name this equation as a 6. Then summation x into y. Just multiplied throughout x. A summation x plus b summation x square. Say equation number 7. Okay. Now see the requirement summation x. How we get the summation x sign? First we calculate the capital X. Capital X is log of x. Okay. So put x is equal to 1 here, then 2 here, 3 here. So we get the all these values. And their addition is capital X. Similarly for y, this is capital Y. This is capital X into Y. That is product of this number and this number. Okay, and the last is summation x square. Substitute in 6 and 7, the last row. Then equation 6 becomes, equation 6 is summation y is 2.6532 is equal to 5 times a plus summation x. Summation x is 2.0792 into b. Now the 7, equation 7, summation xy, this is the summation xy, 1.7127 is equal to 2.0792 into capital A plus summation x square is 1.1693 into b. Solve these equations simultaneously. Solve above equation. We get capital A and small b. Now I am solving this equation by through calci. Then we get capital A is equal to minus 0.3010 and b is equal to 2. Okay, but capital A is equal to, but capital A is equal to log base is 10, okay, of a, log of a. Okay, now taking antilog both side here, then we get a is equal to 10 raised to a. Okay, substitute the value of a, 10 raised to, the value of a is minus 0.3010, so that a is equal to 0.5. We have the a, we have the b. Put this a and b in equation. Put in equation 1. What is equation 1? Y is equal to a, x to the power b. Now see, this is the equation number 1. Okay, now put the value. 0 point value of a 0.5 x and the value of b is 2. Okay, so this is required logarithmic curve from the given data. Thank you for watching the video.